Welcome back to PayFunds, the most secure and user-friendly crypto wallet experience. Before we begin, make sure your PayFunds app is updated to the latest version. Using the updated version ensures that all security features work properly and your wallet runs smoothly. Once you're ready, open the app and go to Settings. The first thing you'll see there is the Security option. Tap on it to access all the wallet protection features. Inside the Security menu, you'll find the following options: Enable Passcode, Enable Biometric, Auto Hide Balance, and Two-Factor Authentication, 2FA. Let's walk through each of them one by one. First, tap on Enable Passcode. You'll be asked to set a 6-digit passcode of your choice. Enter the code, confirm it again, and just like that, your wallet is now protected with a passcode. You can always change or disable this code later from the same menu. Right below that, you'll see the Auto Lock option. This lets you decide how quickly your wallet should lock itself after inactivity. You can choose from different time intervals like 1 minute, 5 minutes, or even instantly. By default, it's set to 1 minute. Next, you'll find the Enable Biometric option. If your phone supports fingerprint or face unlock, you can turn this on to unlock your wallet using biometrics. Simply toggle it on and follow your phone's built-in setup. It's quick, secure, and convenient. Now let's talk about Auto Hide Balance. Turning this feature on will hide your wallet balance from the main screen. This is especially useful when you're sharing your screen or in public places. You can enable or disable this with just one tap. That wraps up today's tutorial on securing your PayFunds wallet. Don't forget to explore every option and keep your wallet as secure as possible. Thanks for watching. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto education and wallet guides. PayFunds, your keys, your crypto, your freedom.